In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at how you can add and draw borders in Excel. Now, borders can make data stand out a bit more and make it look a little bit more tidy and organized, so they're a great formatting option to be aware of. So we've got some sales by year and quarter data here. It runs from 2018 to 2021, and it's broken out by financial quarter, Q1 to Q4. And we've also got a total row summing up the individual quarters, as well as a total column summing up all of the quarters for each year. So what we want to do is basically add some borders to this just so it looks a little bit smarter. So first off, what I'm going to do is just add a basic black border around each of these cells. So I've highlighted the cells where I want the border to be added to, and then I'm going to come up to this option here in the home ribbon. Now the default is no borders, but I'm going to change this to all borders, and then you'll see we have the black lines around this data, so it just stands out a bit more from the other cells in the spreadsheet, obviously. Now we could make the borders sort of even more standing out, and you can change the color and the style, so I'm just going to run through an example of that. So if we go to the menu, now what we want to do is select the line color, and let's go with orange for example, and then we're going to go back again and select line style, and we're going to go with this sort of double line here. Now it gives me this pen option, which is something I don't tend to use. You can basically manually click on the cells that you want in that color, but I prefer to use the kind of automated options. So to get out of this pen option, I'm just going to press escape, and then you'll see my cursor has returned to how it was, and we've still got those cells highlighted, but because I've changed the line color to orange and the line style to that double one, if I select any of these options, it will be in that format. So if we go to all borders now, you'll notice how all of the cells now have the double orange line around them. So that's just a quick run through of borders in Excel. It's worth pointing out that the faint grid lines you see in Excel, these aren't actually borders. These are, as I say, the grid lines, and these can be added or removed by coming up to the view ribbon. And then you'll see we have the option here to tick or untick this. So if we untick this, we then have all the grid lines removed, and this actually makes the data stand out even more. So it's worth being aware of that feature as well when you're formatting your spreadsheets too. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.